So, here are the locations of all of the weapons in Gear Simulator, except for the SMG. First, of course, in the plane. That's actually kind of cool. Getting in the plane. And the plane's head has an AK. I mean, you could just get up there, but I'm just gonna make my life a whole lot easier by grabbing this. Here is the grenade. Again, the pistol is down here, but yeah. In case you didn't know, there's actually this. There's this. It's on top of the shrine. You can immediately see it. And I will also be adding the mech into this video. Oh. Boom. Okay. So, I do already have it, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to get it. You go to this court near the big cow. You grab this cow. You have to get it all the way to the runway, but I do already have it. This is how you get the metal deer or the mech. So, also don't ask why that's playing like that other sound. So yeah, I even already have it. I'll still show you guys. So you actually place this cow. But like you don't really have to do that. It just has to be that. Then like an animation. Oh yeah, see, like that. That's the animation. Like a helicopter drops it in. It actually kind of looks sick. So, there you go. You're welcome. By the way, I do recommend at least having like the jetpack or the ray gun. So, yeah, you're welcome.